right, what's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to be testing out Wednesday drops for y'all for, I would say, maybe the next 4 weeks. I'm going to be doing Wednesday updates. So we're going to be doing midweek updates. So you guys already get your weekend drops typically on Saturday. But for the next few weeks, we're going to be testing out midweek updates. So that's good for you guys. With these sessions, you guys will get updates from the trades that I pushed out for you guys on Saturday or Sunday whenever I drop the videos. So this will help you guys stay in line of what's going on, and you can stay updated for those of y'all that are not a part of the community. If you do want to be a part of the community, the link to the free Telegram room is down below in the description. Outside of that, let's go ahead and dive in on this week's updates. So far this week, man, market started off beautiful. As y'all know, we're on, well, this week will make a 7-week streak that we've been able to consistently analyze the direction of the market and get the market to head into our target direction overall when it comes to most of the pairs that we've put out for that given week. So we are on a roll right now, y'all. Again, if you are new to the channel, just head back to our page and you'll see the video drop that we dropped this past Saturday, which was over gold, DXY, EURUSD, and GBPUSD. So let's dive into the updates, starting off with gold. So this week on gold, I shared with you guys that I was looking for some type of correction, either around this range, just a break and retest type of correction, or a retracement back into our ideal area of interest. So we actually just got a no retracement and market just gapped straight up. So this was, of course, due to the war situation, as you guys know. So I did talk to y'all about that on the session as well. And we already knew that the market potentially might have gapped up or just went crazy at market open. We've all been expecting this for this upcoming trading week. So gold ended up gapping up into our target zone and then it made a reaction off of that 1-hour FVG. Outside of that, that's all I got for gold for the rest of this week. Let's see. So DXY this week, and this is almost the last 2 weeks. So I originally gave y'all this trade around, I would say somewhere around here, and we were looking for the week before last for price action to actually break up and continue. But we actually just got a consolidated market last week. And so this week, as soon as market opened, it gapped up and continued straight up into our target range. So I did talk to y'all about this as well this past weekend on the weekend drop, that we were looking for price action to head straight towards the upside. And I did tell y'all that it could just open straight up and shoot up, or we could retrace, tap into this range, and then shoot back towards the upside. So hopefully y'all were able to capitalize on some of the dollar pairs. We had a really nice week, man. Let's go ahead and look at EURUSD update now. And again, for those of y'all that are new to the channel and just now finding our weekly Forex updates and just overall everything that I've been putting out for y'all, make sure y'all are subscribed and join the free Telegram chat room link down below. This is where I put all of the updates for the trades, as well as the rest of the community where you guys can interact, ask questions, look at other charts from the other teams, and just have a solid community. So that is down there for y'all below in the description. Let's see EURUSD. So for this week, EURUSD, what we wanted to see was for potentially price action to retrace into this range and then actually head towards the downside. But we literally opened up, gapped down, and just continued towards the downside. So for most of y'all that know, our target was overall in this range. So we're looking for price action to potentially go. And it did just that, man. So beautiful week on EURUSD. Hopefully y'all were able to catch some of that as well. Now let's look at GBPUSD. So GU, and this is a carryover from last week. So our main thing this week was looking for continuation trades based off of our previous week buys because we knew that it was not done and there was more money to be made off of those trades. So this week we went in with the mindset of catching some continuation trades in the same directional bias that we've been having for the last 2 weeks. So this week we were looking for price action to retrace into this range and then head towards the downside. But we literally immediately just hit it straight down at market open. Got some small retracements throughout here, ultimately to head down into our target zone, which was this daily FVG here. So that was GBPUSD. These are the 4 charts that I pushed out for y'all. Every single chart went to the target direction. So another solid week. Again, hopefully y'all were able to make some type of profits off of these trades. Now I want to show you guys what I am going to be looking at for the rest of this upcoming trading week. And that is going to be EURUSD. And I'm going to be patient on this just because what I really want to see is a closure below this low. So I need price action to close this low to give us a confirmed change of character. What this will do for me is let me know that we're going to expect further downside on price action for the next upcoming weeks. And so at that point, we are now at a key reaction area. If we can get a closure around this range and to hold this area and start to retrace, there's going to be a really nice trade for the upcoming weeks. And I will be looking for most likely price action to head into, I would say, this range for a continuation towards the downside. So this is just something I'm going to be watching. We also might end up forming a structural head and shoulders here as well. So that's something you guys can watch out for. Again, I need price action to close below this low, and I need it to hold into this support area and then head back towards the upside. So that is what I'm going to be looking at on EURUSD over the next few days to just see how price action reacts, because this might be a nice opportunity setting up for us for next week. So that's really all I have for y'all. I just wanted to give y'all some updates on everything that's going on. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you're not in the free Telegram chat room, the link is down below in the description. Also, over the next, I would say, well, actually for the rest of this year, every 60 days, I'm going to be giving away one free mentoring package, lifetime package. So it includes our full entire mentoring package where you guys get access to the online education, the chat room, the FXK locker room where I post my weekly trades of everything that I personally take on my account. All of my students have access to all of this. So I'm giving away one package every 60 days to people who comment on each of our YouTube videos. So every time you see a YouTube video, drop a comment and you will automatically be entered. After every 8 weeks, I'm going to be looking at the last 8 videos to see who commented. And then the person who's commented on each video, I'm going to enter you guys into a raffle, and we'll do it live on the actual weekend drop. So we'll do like a little spinning wheel or something like that. And we'll do it live, and then I'll announce the winner live on our actual Saturday or Sunday drops for that upcoming week. And so once you guys message me, I'll get you guys set up to the online package. So I'm going to be doing that for the rest of 2026. So literally every 2 months, my bad guys, every 2 months, I'm going to be giving away a free mentoring package just for simply commenting. And it doesn't matter what you comment. You can drop an emoji, it doesn't anything. As long as you're commenting, I'm going to pick that person out of the list, and then you guys will go into the drawing, okay? So other than that, man, y'all have a great rest of y'all's week. Appreciate y'all for just overall being a solid community, and I will catch you guys soon.